Welcome back to Accounting Classroom. In this lecture, we'll discuss the difference between a cash book and a cash account, a common area of confusion among students. A cash account is a ledger account that records cash receipts and payments. It's part of the double entry system kept in the ledger like other accounts. A cash book is a book of original entry, a subsidiary book that records all cash and bank transactions, both receipts and payments, in chronological order. It works like both a journal and a ledger, meaning you don't need to post cash transactions again into the cash account in the ledger. It records all cash and bank transactions directly as they occur. There are different types of cash books: single column cash book, only cash column; double column cash book, cash and bank; triple column cash book, cash, bank, and discount columns. Let's compare the cash book and the cash account. The cash book acts both as a book of original entry and a ledger, while the cash account is only a ledger record. The cash book directly records all cash and bank transactions, but the cash account simply summarizes those transactions from other records. A cash book may have 1, 2, or even 3 columns for cash, bank, and discount. The cash account, on the other hand, has only one cash column. Entries in the cash book are made daily from source documents, like receipts and vouchers. The cash account is prepared later based on postings from the cash book. The cash book is balanced regularly to track available cash or bank balances, but the cash account is balanced only at the end of an accounting period. The cash book provides up-to-date information on cash and bank balances. The cash account, however, shows the overall cash position in the ledger. So, in short, the cash book works as both a journal and a ledger, while the cash account is simply the summary inside the ledger. Despite their differences, both have similarities. They both show cash inflow and outflow, and usually have a debit balance. In summary, the cash book is both a journal and a ledger, while the cash account is only a ledger. Cash book records transactions, while cash account receives the final balance. If this lecture helped you, please like, subscribe, and share.